Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and adjust our dial block for the GTA machine. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and set our gauge. And you have to be very careful, it's a very sensitive gauge. When we do this, on the end of this rod there is a little ball and a ring. We have to make sure that the ball at the highest point sits up underneath the lip, and the ring does not. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and adjust. We're going to get it to 0. Okay, as close as we can before we start doing micro adjustments. Alright, we're on 0. As you can see, the ball at the highest point is sitting on the bottom of this block, and the ring is free and clear. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take our dial block. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to gauge it on the lowest point of this stitch. Okay, we're going to take our 4mm and we're going to go ahead and run this clockwise all the way down. Okay, and then we're going to do one whole rotation. We're going to come back over. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and go to the next one after that 0. And then we're going to go ahead and gauge it out. Alright, we need to go down a little bit. Now, unfortunately, these are very tricky, so we're going to go ahead and make an adjustment, and we're going to go and check it again. Alright, if you can hold it and do it. Which I cannot. We're going to make another adjustment and we're going to check it. Alright, we're closer. Alright, we're on 0. So from here, we're going to make sure that our ball is not on, which it was, so we were not there. Alright, same thing, check it. We're on 0 and our ring is not touching. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and on our black ring here, we're going to go ahead and take our 1.5 and break loose this screw. And we're going to go ahead and hold this. This gets a little tricky. We need to bring this 0 over. We're going to have that line up with the 1. So once we get the 1 lined up, all right, we're going to go ahead and check it again. All right, unfortunately we moved while trying to adjust our ring. So we're going to go ahead and adjust again. Check it again. All right, we're on 0. Well, all right, we're on 0. And we're going to go ahead and adjust our ring again. We're not that far off. We're going to look at where we're at and where we need to be. So we're going to try to get a better grip. Try to keep it steady. We're going to go ahead and move it until we get onto 1. We're on 1. We're going to go ahead and check it again. All right, we're on 0. We have to make sure that we're not on the ring and that we're just on the ball. This is very delicate, so move your hand wrong or even apply too much pressure on one side can change it. All right, so All right, we're on 0. So we're going to go ahead and switch over to our